We now write a function for y in dollars, which represents the cost of the book, given that the number of pages x for each of the book sizes. So here we are going to use the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, where m represents the slope of the equation and b represents the y-intercept of the equation. And looking at this column, the space price is the y-intercept, and the cost for each additional page, this gives the slope of the equation. And also x represents, that is number of pages, which is at least 20 pages. So first let's write equation for this book size 7 inch by 9 inches. So I'm going to write down this as y equals mx plus b. M is slope, which is 1.00 times of x. We cannot put as simply x, since x represents at least 20 pages. We have to write down this as x minus of 20 plus the y-intercept, which is 20 for this book size 7 inch by 9 inches. So we can simplify this. So this equals 1.00. We can write down this as simply 1. So 1 times of x minus 20 is x minus 20 plus 20. So this simplifies to, we can cancel this negative 20 and positive 20. So therefore this equals x. So this is the equation for y for the book size 7 inch by 9 inches. Now we do for the second book size, that is 8 inch by 11 inches. Here we write down this equation y equals mx. Slope is 1, that is 1.00 times of, instead of x, we have to write down this as x minus 20, because the number of pages is at least 20 pages, plus the y-intercept, which is 25 here. So let's simplify this. So this equals 1.00 is 1. 1 times of x minus 20 is x minus 20 plus 25. So you can simplify this. 25 minus 20 is positive 5. So therefore this becomes y equals x plus 5. So this is the equation for y for the second book size 8 inch by 11 inches. Let's now do for for the third book size, that is 12 inch by 12 inches. So here I write y equals mx. M is, that is the slope is 1.5 times of x minus 20 plus the y-intercept is 45 here. So let's simplify this. So this becomes 1.5 times of x is 1.5x, and 1.5 times of 20, this equals 30. So this becomes negative 30 plus 45. 45 minus 30 is 15. So therefore the equation is y equals 1.5x plus 15. This is the equation for the third book size. Let's answer part B. So here we determine the cost of 12 inch by 12 inch with 28 pages. So which means we can plug in x equals 28 into the equation that we have found. So I'm going to use this equation y equals 1.5x plus 15. I replace x by 28, so therefore this becomes 1.5 times of 28 plus 15, and 1.5 times of 28 is 42, so this becomes 42 plus 15, and this equals 57. So it's $57. We now answer part C. So here we have to determine the number of pages in 8 inch by 11 inch if the cost of the book is $49. So here we are given that y equals $49, and we have to determine x. So I'm going to use this second equation, that is y equals x plus 5, and here I plug in y equals 49. So 49 equals x plus 5. Therefore, we can solve for x from this equation. So x equals 49 minus 5, and this equals 44. So there are about 44 pages in 8-inch by 11-inch book, which costs $49.